Installing a hot swap M.2 drive assembly. Two drive assembly replacement procedures for ThinkSystem V4 1U, 2U, and 4U rack servers are identical. The server shown in this video is for demonstration purposes only, and the drive location in your server might be different. Install the interposer on the interposer tray by aligning it with the guiding pins. Fasten the 4 screws to secure the interposer. Loosen 4 screws to separate the heatsink from the drive tray. Peel the film off the bottom plate thermal pad. Place the M.2 drive on the drive tray. Peel the film off the heatsink thermal pad. Align the heatsink with the guiding pins on the drive tray. Fasten the 4 screws to secure the drive and heatsink. Tilt the M.2 drive assembly and insert the connector into the interposer slot. Press the drive assembly down and align it with the screw hole. Fasten the screw to secure the 2 assemblies. Make sure that the handle is open. Align the drive assembly with the guide rails in the bay, and gently push the drive assembly into the bay until the drive assembly stops. Push the handle closed. The handle latch will click,